Kenya's hosted the second annual International Industrial Expo in its capital, Nairobi. The event was organized by several parties, Afripeak Expo Kenya and the China Information and Culture and Communication outfit, with the support of the Kenya Investment Authority. The event was the second of its kind. CGTN's Alexandria Majalla was there.
The event attracted almost 100 Chinese manufacturing firms from China's Shandong province. It is inspired by the need to support the 4 pillars in Kenya's development agenda. The Big Four agenda, unveiled by President Uhuru Kenyatta in December 2017, includes manufacturing, affordable housing, universal health coverage, and food security. While Kenyan manufacturers were not present, they were represented by umbrella bodies and government representatives.
These umbrella bodies are the ones that protect and promote the interests of the Kenyan companies, the Kenyan manufacturers. They are the ones who push in, be it bills, be it projects, be it funding. All the manufacturers, they merge to form an association which will represent them, especially equally, so that all associations get these kind of advantages.
The Kenyan government is seeking to explore the untapped potential of its manufacturing sector to create employment and wealth. It aims to increase its contribution to the GDP by at least 10% per year. But there are still hurdles to overcome.
These kind of expos also form like a foundation for linkages with investors. We also want investors here because the greatest challenge that we have in the manufacturing industry is the technology. And also, just to have the know-how of how things are done.
This industrial expo is meant to boost Kenya's manufacturing capacity and help the country meet international manufacturing standards. It's also expected to attract almost 1,000 visitors. China is renowned globally for its manufacturing sector with iron, steel, aluminium, textiles, cement, chemicals, toys, electronics, rail cars, ships and aircrafts leading the charge. As of 2017, the country's manufacturing sector contributed 40.5% to China's GDP.
Maybe for our manufacturer, we need more advertising for us and in Kenya, because that's our first time and we don't have customers before in here, and maybe the better tax that can give us more competitive price for us to come into this market, to this country.
As you know, as the first time for us to Kenya, we want to enter the market, the building material market in Africa. Kenya as the first stop for us. We believe that Kenya must be a good market for building material. Our China government inspire us to enter the African market.
Manufacturing is a key sector in Kenya's economic development, in both its contribution to national output and exports and for job creation. Key targets and specific goals have been set to steer industrial growth. These include the development of special economic zones, industrial parks and clusters, as well as niche products. Alexandria Majalla for CGTN.